Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with this workflow automation update on the amendment made. So the requirement was that there was some problem in the formulas. Let me give you a quick overview what I have done, changes in it, and what is the status and what are my questions. Okay, the first of all, I have updated all of these formulas because these formulas were not reflecting exactly where it should be. Like the last 6 months or like last 2 years were not showing correctly. It was showing the next 2 years instead of the not exactly next to next 2 years. It was showing only the second year, and third year was not showing at all. So I have added all of these months so that you can always see the next 3 years. So if you start from 23, it will show 2023 the whole month, and then the up to 2025, which is three next 3 years, like 23, 24, and 25, 3 years. All right. And the main issue I was facing in here is that there was some formulas in these cells where those were getting updated every month. So, for example, currently it's showing 1st of January, but initially in the previous version, if you can see the older version you have already, it will show April 1st, and as soon as the May starts, it will become automatically May 1st. So it will be always showing the current month and not showing the whole year. So it was not making any sense to show the next 3 months or next 3 years. So these were related to each other, and now I have fixed those, and it will always start from first January 2023. You can always change this. I can give you another control maybe in here or maybe on this tab. I can give you a control to select the year, just like the other sheet, so that you can start the year from that, and that will be fixed for all three tabs: PPI, sorry, PI, SSA, and crime. So both all of the three will be same format. So this was the change made, and there was something else. I'll show. I'll explain that in the later part. So the problem here I'm facing that once this date is dynamic, and I can see there are some values which are manually entered in these cells, which should not be to my to. But I'm thinking that there are some values manual inputs. There are some formulas as well. As you can see, as you will scroll down at the bottom, you will see all the formulas, but there are some manual entries, and most of the formulas are being deleted in it. So I think these all should be formulas, and these all should be automatically picked up based on the added date and the closing date. And then again, with this criteria, it will pick up the actual amount, and whatever the month it will lie, basically based on the date added. Um, then it will jump in to that particular month and show the value automatically there. But I haven't made these changes in here because as I said earlier, that there are some manual entries and I don't want to ruin those. So please do let me just confirm it, and I'll make all of these formulas so that these values get populated automatically. And we can always color those as gray so that you know that these are not manual entries, and you don't need to make the changes in, just like those are here already. Similarly, on the SSA sheet, the same is happening as you just mentioned, that you want to fix only these two. And when I was looking at the other sheet, the SSA sheet as well, again, you can see there are some manual values. Most of the formulas are deleted, then two manual values and three manual values, and most of the formulas are again deleted. So if this is the case, if you agree with me that these all should be the formula from January to December, uh, just confirm it me, and I'll make the changes accordingly. Then there is another control when I was working on the sheet. So I made all of three, whatever the changes I showed you on the header side till row number 7. Those are being made on first three tabs. And once we are done, we are sure. I'll confirm it, and I'll we can hide all of these. Currently, this you have to start it separately. Okay, I think it's a better way. I'll give you another control on the control tab, just like the older sheet, that you can select any of the month, any of the year here. Let me quickly add that part. I hope you don't. Maybe let's add to. Two will be more than enough. So okay, I'll take maybe 2023. All right. So now you don't need to see all of these. All right. So just confirm me and I'll make all of these formulas and I'll remove all of these values. Okay. So the other thing what I saw in here in the variance sheet, this is a very helpful sheet, and this will always give you the overall the like filtering thing, and this will give you the month on month or the whole year table, that what is the variance and what are the remaining. Like you can simply see that okay, those are to be charged or maybe need to be paid against. Okay, so I have added this control for the SSA pipeline because this sheet was initially designed only for the one pipeline thing, but now you have two tab. Maybe if you want to use two or three, we can always use all of these. And this is how you can use it. So if you want to see SSA pipeline for the year 2023 for the month of January, you can always select the month here as well. And you want to see the result for the month SSA pipeline. If I'll select in here, okay, you will see there is no data available. Let's select for 2022 and see if we have any data available in here. Okay, we do not have any data available for this one. Let me select the year to date and let's see. Okay, so for the 2023, we have some data available, but not only for the month of January. But if you will see the whole year thing, this is not going to affect. So if you are selecting year to date, those will get nullified. No, not those will not be used, and it will show the whole 2023 whole year. So it's showing that these are the clients, which in added date were these, close date were these were the estimated price, actual prices, and these are the leftovers. Like this is negative. We can always reformat it so that we can always see negative number as red. Maybe if you don't want to see the decimals. All right, now you can see these are the negatives, so they need like they are short of the payment. They have to pay more. Initially estimated was this, and actual is this. So they need to pay something 354 and 1241. Similarly, if you want to see the PI sheet, you just need to select the PI in here and plus the fresh. So you can see all of these 2023 data available, which is most of the data are available. This is directly coming in from these tabs, these DADs. So these are not these are for your view and need to be fixed, but this variance sheet is still working, and simply you can see the whole year and at a glance. But if you want to see any particular month for that, you can simply select, like currently it should show PI 2023 for the month of January. No data available. Let's select for the February, March, April, May, June. Maybe I need to fix this part. Okay, no, we have the data for the September, and then October we have some data, and November we have some data, and December we have some data. Similarly, I think there should be some data available for the month of January as well for 2024. Yes, we have. So this is very helpful sheet, and at a glance you can simply select the month or the whole year. For example, if you want to see the whole year for 2024, whatever the values are for 2023, or maybe the previous year. So you don't need to work on that main sheet. You can simply, this is very helpful, and this will give you at a glance all of the results as in short. And with the additional functionality for the selection of the any of the pipeline, you can do that too. And if you in future, if you want to add four more pipeline tab, you can simply add new tabs and give the reference, whatever the name of the tab are there, just enter the name of the tab in here, and you will be able to see those in the drop down in here. So this is the update for this sheet, and you just need to confirm. And I hope that you want to remove all of these manual text, and this is how it should work. Any any cost which is lying start in this month should be shown on the respective months. Hope this is making sense. Please do let me know your response. Take care. Bye.